tell me, who you really think is more lyrical? Cause every time I go somebody gotta see the medical, and every time I come I'm eating everything that's edible.
Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mos. As you already know, I cook on this channel for the time being. And today I'm going to be doing some more cooking for you. We've got some chicken and rice and cream and some salad. And yeah, just wait for it, if you're new to the channel, do me a favor, go and hit that subscribe button for me. And also follow me on Instagram as well at MosToosifar. Everything is under the name of MosToosifar. Stay tuned, relax and enjoy the show. Okay guys, so I've already got some chicken breast chopped up. It's getting, the heat is on. We're getting cooked up. And what I'm going to add is simple. A bit of salt, okay, and a bit of pepper, okay. Don't forget the olive oil. You need it. Get it in there, okay. Mix it. Get it all mixed. Let it do its thing. And then we come back and check up on it. That's that. And also I've got my mushrooms sliced up. We're going to add the mushrooms just a little bit as soon as they change colour, because we want the mushrooms to be soft as well. And I'm going to show you what to do next with the rice. So, as you can already see, chicken is coming along nicely. It's cooking, still bits, some more bits that need to be done, but you know, we're getting there, That's that. Got our rice. Let me turn it on as we speak. Gonna turn it on. What I'm gonna add to this is a bit of salt. A lot of salt actually. Okay? Get some turmeric. Pour it in there. There you go, that's a lot. Now, don't forget about the saffron, guys. Persian saffron. Beautiful. Done, okay? Get your spoon thingy-majiggy. Mix it up. Let it all go everywhere. Okay, there's a bit of water in there already because I've washed it. And that's that. Get the starch as much as you can. Turn on, yeah, good. Just that. Now, what I'm gonna do, where is it? Again, I'm gonna add some olive oil. Get in there, mate. Get in there, my son. Beautiful, beautiful. Right, that's that. Get the water, pour it in. And that should be enough. Give it a final stir. Make sure it all mixes up nicely, because you want to get some yellow rice. Okay, that is that. Done. Leave that to be. Put the lid on. Happy days. Moving back to our chicken. How are we doing? Looking good. It is getting cooked. Right, so what you want to do now is get the mushrooms, stick it in there. Right? Get it in there. You want it to go nice and soft, cook nicely. You don't want to get a crunchy, or well, it's not crunchy anyway, it's soft, but you know what I mean, guys. You just want your food to be cooked, all right? Don't judge me. Anyway, gonna let that be. Let that cook for a little bit longer. I'm gonna turn it down a little bit so it doesn't. Yeah. Okay. Give it a few more minutes, and then what we're gonna do is add the cream onto this, but not yet. Not yet. Be patient, guys. Let that cook. Let that cook. See you in a couple of minutes. So, guys, as you can see, got the cream. now it's ready. Our rice is looking good. I'm gonna turn it down. Okay. You got there, double cream. What you wanna do is just the right one. Some extra thick. Okay. Maybe got the wrong one. Anywho, it is what it is. It's going in there. You guys ready? Watch that. Wow, that is quite something. That is not coming up, guys. I didn't expect it to be that thick. But anywho. Damn. That is extra thick. Get it all out. See with me. Don't want nothing to go to waste, you know? Just go for it. Okay, what you want to do? Give it a nice mix. This is going to be nice and thick. So, good. Ooh, let's just turn it down as well. Look at that, guys. That is looking good. Isn't that looking good, guys? Mix it. Make it all look nice and lovely jubbly. Okay, I was recording. Yeah, let that do its thing. Let the rice cook slowly. And guys, on a quick update, check this out. This is looking good. Chicken, mushrooms and cream. It's looking, yeah, thick cream, extra thick cream should I say. That's what it said on the packing, on the package. So that's good. Let's have a look at that, guys. Our rice is looking good. Our rice is looking good. Where's the thing? Ow. What is that? We have tahdig, guys. Wow. Didn't really want that, but okay. Yeah, this is not the best quality rice, guys. This was, believe it or not, it was a gift. Someone brought me a bag of rice as a gift. Thank you, by the way. Like, don't get me wrong, I appreciate you. But who gives a bag of rice as a gift? Anyway, I'm so sorry. I'm getting a phone call later on saying, "What did you say?" Anyway, all right. Listen, that I'm gonna have a quick check, see if that's ready. Yeah, we're good. We're good. I'm gonna put the lid back on. Ow. I'm gonna turn it off. I'm gonna turn this off. And let me get my plate. And we're gonna eat some food, guys. Are you ready? By the way, I've made some salad. I didn't show that. It's not very pretty-ish. It's mainly green with a bit of red. But anyway, I keep burning myself, guys. What's going on? Is that some sort of sign? Somebody tell me. Right. Yeah. Let me get a plate and I'll show you what's good. Let me. God, what is going on, guys? Let me get our rice, put it in the plate, you know, make it look pretty, look appealing, presentation. That's what it's all about, right? With me, food, I just want to eat it. Yeah. Let's see how we do, eh? Let's see how it goes. Put the rice in, push it down, make it even. Right, that's that, okay? Give it a final stir, make sure it's not stuck or it's not burnt or anything like that, what you want to do is get some of that beauty, pour it on there. Get some more. That ruined it. That just ruined my whole thing. And guys, believe it or not, you can't see the mushrooms, but they are there. Yeah. So here you go. That is that. Let me show you what it is. That's basically your rice, your chicken, your mushrooms and cream, saffron, turmeric rice. That's that. And then of course the salad next to it, I'll show you in a second.
Tell me, who you really think is more lyrical? Cause every time I go somebody gotta see the medical, and every time I come